Hello everyone. Welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the steps to create a charge template in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in Fresa Application. After a successful login, this is what our dashboard looks like. Now, navigate to the documentation module. Select the charge template list under the documentation module. In the Charge Template List screen, click the Create button. Enter the required details such as template code, template name, branch, organization, and click Save. Now, the template has been created successfully. These are the steps to create a charge template in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.